Okay, so today there's a storm warning in the Netherlands, and the wind today is really strong. All the trains are canceled from 2 p.m. onwards, and it's about, let's see, what time is it now? It's almost 4. And the school is canceled, and the wind is just really bad. You can feel the glass shaking, vibrating basically. And let's see, the door of our my hall actually fell off. You can see that. And I said, well, it's party time now. You can all come to to enjoy a drink with me. Finished my drink already. So there's nothing else you can do. An entire day stuck at home. I've just been working on my information retrieval paper. I've been working here, I've been working there, I've been on the bed working. It's just very boring. And you can see that across from my hall, my room. That's the dual office. That's where the student, I better back off a little bit, but that's where the student housing office is. And they covered their windows with the wooden, I'm actually not sure what that is, the white thing, but you can see that it's covered, but mine's not. So I'm afraid that the glass might break. Hopefully not. So I'm gonna stand not so close to it. In fact, maybe I should close the curtain, but it's just very boring, stuck at home. I wanted to maybe find my friends in the other room that's also in the same hall, but I would have to go out. But then the door is like this, so I don't know if it's a good idea to go out even. You can see that there's a second picture here. That's like that. So really scary. I don't even know if it's a good idea to open the window to show you the wind now, but maybe I can try. Yeah, really bad. So better not try that. Or let me try this. Yep. Okay, scary. You can see that the guy walking, looks like it's really hard to walk. Yeah, maybe I'll try this one more time. Yeah, you can feel the wind. It's that bad. Pretty crazy. Yeah, better close it quick. Otherwise, who knows what's gonna happen. So, yeah. That's today. Boring day. Hopefully the storm goes away tomorrow so I can go to Belgium to find my friend. I had this trip planned. So, yep.